What's up? I'm going to show you how to build your first project on Atlas. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to see when you get dropped into the app is the editor. This is where you're going to write your contracts. We already have a basic Hello World contract, and it's really easy to deploy. All I have to do is hit this deploy button. And it's already deployed, just like that. And now we can actually interact with the contract as well by calling these functions. These contract interactions are happening on your own personal blockchain, and you can actually switch the wallet out so you can test whatever functionality you want. Next, let's write a basic test. If we open the test folder, we can see that we already have a test for this contract. We're using the Foundry testing framework, so anything that you can do in Foundry, whether it's forking chains or mocking transactions or using cheat codes, you can do in Atlas. So I'm going to go ahead and run this test by just hitting run test. Amazing, it passed. Let's say I want to build something a little bit more complex, maybe a token. We can actually use Atlas's built-in AI to write this code for us, but you'll have to be logged in, so make sure to do that first. You can ask the AI whatever you want in natural language, so I'm going to go ahead and ask it to make me a token. Great, now that we have this token contract, we can just hit Command Enter and it'll create the file. Now let's deploy this to a real blockchain. I'm going to deploy it to the Goerli testnet. All you have to do is click in the top right of the network selector, and you can deploy to any EVM chain that you want. Once again, you just hit Run to deploy. And our contract's live. We just deployed our token to the real Ethereum Goerli testnet. Atlas even verifies the contract for you behind the scenes on Etherscan. And you can even interact with the contract by using the same right panel, just like I showed you before. This is really just scratching the surface of what you can do with Atlas. But my boss said I have to keep this video under a minute. So I'm going to put a link in this video's description so that you can see a full tutorial where you can go from I have an idea to building a full dApp, including front-end generation. Happy building.